Hello friends, welcome to our English learning channel. Today we are learning polite English sentences. Polite English helps you speak confidently and respectfully. Polite English means speaking kindly and respectfully. Using polite words makes a good impression on others. Let's learn some easy and useful polite sentences. Please give me some water. Please help me with this work. Please wait for a moment. Always use the word please when you ask for something. Repeat after me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for your help. Saying thank you shows good manners. Use it every day. Excuse me, may I come in? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, can you help me? Use excuse me to get attention politely. Sorry for the delay. I'm sorry. Sorry, I didn't understand. Saying sorry is polite and respectful. Could you repeat that, please? Would you help me? Could you explain again? These sentences sound very polite and professional. Now it's your turn. Repeat all the sentences loudly. Practice every day to improve your English. Please, thank you, excuse me, sorry. Could you? These are polite English words. Practice polite English daily. Your confidence will improve step by step. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video.